Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time or you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show me love, I love before matter. Show me love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to notify. And also give me a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Always put that thumbs up whenever you watch my video. And if you have subscribed, please give me thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Click the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to notify. And also give me a thumbs up. Love before month. Show me love, So in today's video, I want to talk about one of my family friend. It's one of my friend. He tell me about what is really happening to him. So I decided to say it so that you people will give opinion. So he asked me to say it also. So this my friend. What is really going on is that he have married. He's a married man. He's married with 2 kids. I hope you guys are hearing me. He married with 2 kids. Right now, he having 2 kids. The problem is that the wife is cheating on him, the husband. But I don't really know what is that and them. What to say. You understand? I didn't know if you guys is understanding me. I don't really know what to say, and I don't really know what to do about that. They asked me to bring it out, and it's okay. I decided to bring it out. So this my friend, I also asked, are you sure you are not the one that is cheating on that woman? You said it's the woman. He said no, nothing like that. He said the woman was not like that before. I said, or you don't have any trust for the. He said he have trust for the woman. He said he trusted the woman before. He said because of what this woman is doing. He said ever since when this woman started working. So he said a couple, which is the boss, is cheating on him with the boss. You understand? I ask, have you seen anything like that? Do you understand? Because I used to ask questions very well. Because all those kind of things, if you want to talk, you have to know the way you will shook your mouth inside. So it said that nothing like that. He said that he tried to look for if any evidence to make sure that if it's true or lie. You understand? He said before he didn't think it's true. He said, but he now find the evidence. The boss now make a video that they used to have, used to have fun together, used to play together, So he said they make a video. So that kind of thing, they can't put it, you understand? So I said, really? So I just told the man. So what do you guys think? He said he want to end up with the woman. He want to leave the relationship. He just want that is the marriage. He want to break up with the marriage with the woman. He want to they want to go their own separate way. And that video that the woman used to jogodo, as they used to call it, I don't know. That video now, the man said he want to public the video. So your wife that have already have 2 kids for you guys, I just want you guys to hear this and leave your opinion. If this thing is good for him to public the video, or for this man to forgive the wife and take her back as a wife again, or to public the video. But as for me, I don't know. You guys should just leave your own opinion, But I've just talked to this man. You understand? I've said my own. I'll just tell him my mind already. That something like this. But I just want to hear from you guys. Maybe if I'm correct or not. Because I just want to make a peace. I just want peace to reign. But I don't really know if maybe I may be correct or I may be wrong. I don't know, guys. So I just want you guys to leave your opinion. Please leave your opinion. Let's be our brother or sister's keeper. You understand? So I don't really know what to say. I don't really know. But I've said my own. But I just want you guys, I want to know that if what I said, I'm right or wrong. Do you understand? You understand? It's marriage we are talking about here. They get married though. It's not a boyfriend and girlfriend. You understand? Marriage with two issues, two kids. So I don't really know. The thing looks so confused. It looks so confused. A woman that have gave birth to a kiss, two kiss, still be cheating like that. I don't know. You guys should just leave your opinion. The opinion that I'm asking you guys to leave right now is, do you support the man to public the video because the man said he have the video of his wife? Understand? To show as evidence. Do you guys support for the man to public the video, or you want the man to forgive the wife? I don't know if you are a man. If you are a man, if you are a man, leave your own opinion. If it's your wife, will you forgive your wife? And will you give your wife a second chance? If you are a woman, what will you do in this kind of situation when your husband said you want to end up the marriage because of the, can't call it stupidity, I don't want to insult anyone. So if you are the woman, what will you do? Is it to beg, or to say yes or no? You will leave the marriage, or you will still stay the marriage? I don't know. Please leave your opinion. The men and the women, the girls and the boys, you guys should leave your opinion. If it's your wife, or if it's your husband, or if you are the one, if you are the shoe of this woman, what will you do? Or if you're in the shoe of this man, what will you do? So that is what really happened. And also, I have another something to say. I'm done with that. Once again, I'm sorry, I don't know, I normally clap my hands. Once again, I want to also tell you about my online business, guys. Now, this online business, for you to be the boss of yourself. Do you understand? You will just register to this business. You will even forget that you register. A business that you will join, you will get your profit. You will benefit from it. You will benefit from it. In this business, you see the bonus. What are you talking about? It's so amazing. It didn't stop you not to work. As you can see, I'm a busy somebody, but am I not the one still doing the business? I'm so happy. I'm living happily. Okay? You guys, I don't really know right now if you're interested with the products, or you're interested to join this business. Please inbox me if you're interested. Just say you are interested. I will leave it for the comment. Don't worry. I will see it then. I will give you my number. Like that, we will talk. If you even look to my, what they call it, you go to some of my video on this YouTube, my number is there. If you're interested, you can call me. Do you understand? My number is there. I drop my phone number there. If you're interested, you can call me. If you're interested though, I need the serious people. I need the people that say yes. That say yes to this 2020 we're about to step into. Do you understand? I need the serious people that will say yes, this year 2020 that we're about to step into. I don't want to play with this year. Do you understand? That are the kind of people that I want. Do you understand? The people who serious. Who serious. So that's it. If you're interested with the products, are you experiencing pimples? Oh my god, don't worry. I will post my face, my face. When I make up, if you look at my face, in my YouTube now, I'll post my video without no makeup. But before, I can't post my picture without no makeup. Pimples, you just feed up my face. But nevertheless, I will post the picture. You guys will see before and now. You will know what I'm talking about. But is this product really, really doing amazing? You have done something so wonderful that I've not even expected. It's so wonderful, guys. Yeah, it's wonderful. I'm not saying this because of anything. I'm saying this because of what I've experienced about this product or what I've seen about this product. Guys, I don't know if you're interested with this product. Is it for belly fat? Is it for pimples? I don't know. Name it. Or any kind of health issue. Or are you struggling for your, how am I going to call it? Blood flow. You understand? You know what I mean? The women, the girls, you know what I mean? So, I don't know. Or your blood don't used to flow well during the time you are seeing your, when you are seeing your time, it don't used to flow well. We have the product what it tastes. When you will take it, to be okay, to be flowing well, everything will be okay, it will be all right. So I don't really know. If you're interested, inbox me, or if you want to order it yourself, you guys know my website. My website is already down there. You understand? And after this video, and I'll still keep my website there. You will still look at my website also after this video. You understand? My website is www.lovett9juiceplus.com. You understand? So after this video, okay, I will drop my website down there. So all I want to say again, once again, I say thank you to you guys. I thank everybody that supports me. I thank you as you guys is really, really supporting me. Imagine I just started this YouTube. I'm just new, you understand? So I'm a new beginning. But I can see a lot of people really love me. I see people is showing me love like real. Like for real. They are really showing me love. I love you guys. Thank you very, very much. I really, really appreciate. As for those that have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't fail to hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to notify. Okay, always give me thumbs up. I love you guys. One love. Bye. Bye. Ciao.